Welcome, friends. I come from beautiful Slovenia. Today, I'm sharing with you an excellent and super quick recipe. Delicious shrimp prepared in just 3 minutes. Served with homemade mayonnaise and golden French fries. First, I begin by cleaning the shrimps. I remove everything that needs to be removed, and then I dry them very well. Dry shrimp always cook better. They get a nicer color, they fry more evenly, and the texture turns out perfect. While they rest for a moment, I start preparing my homemade mayonnaise. For this, I take my food processor and add 1 egg. I mix it very well. This step is important. If you don't mix the egg well at the beginning, the mayonnaise simply won't thicken later. Then I slowly start adding quality all around 300 milliliters while mixing continuously. So take your time and blend it until it becomes nicely foamy. You'll see how the mixture starts to thicken and turn into a beautiful creamy mayonnaise. Next, I add 1 tablespoon of mustard and a little bit of salt. I squeeze in some fresh lemon juice, which gives the mayonnaise a wonderful freshness and balance. Then I mix everything again, and just like that, the mayonnaise is ready. Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to tell me which country you're watching from. I always love reading your messages. To make it even more delicious, I cut a few fresh chilies and add them inside. They give the mayonnaise a gentle kick and an amazing flavor. Fresh and good chilies are actually very healthy for us, so this is a great addition. I know that mayonnaise isn't considered the healthiest thing in the world, but when we prepare it at home with real ingredients and without additives, it becomes not only delicious, but also much less harmful when enjoyed in moderate amounts. And truly, this mayonnaise is absolutely wonderful. Thank you for every like, every comment, and every subscription. Now it's time to prepare the French fries, which will be our side dish. In the oil, I always add fresh garlic and fry it until it turns golden. Then I remove the garlic from the oil. This step flavors the oil beautifully. And because of that, the fries will be amazing. Your support helps me continue sharing delicious, natural, homemade recipes made with love. Subscribe to my channel for more simple recipes and dishes without additives. I fry the fries until they reach a beautiful golden color. They turn out soft inside and crispy on the outside, just perfect. When the fries are cooked, place them on paper towels to drain the oil. This way you will consume less bad fats. Just look at this beautiful color of French fries. I know it's not very healthy, but it's good. They turn out soft inside and crispy on the outside, just perfect. You can't resist how good he is. Now we move back to the shrimps. They are very quick to prepare. Literally 3 minutes and they're done. I add a lot of olive oil. First, I fry a little bit of garlic again until it becomes golden. Then I remove it from the oil and add the shrimps. Garlic adds a wonderful aroma to the oil. They sizzle nicely. The aroma fills the kitchen, and everything smells so good. I cook the shrimp for about 3 minutes and they are done. Shrimp are an excellent source of quality protein that supports muscle and body regeneration. At the same time, they are very low in calories, so they are suitable for anyone who is watching their diet. These healthy fats help the heart, brain, and reduce inflammation in the body. Shrimp is not as rich in omega-3 as salmon, but still has enough to benefit health. They are very rich in vitamins and minerals. Shrimp contains iodine for healthy thyroid function. Contains selenium, a very powerful antioxidant. Contains zinc for a good immune system. Shrimp are very healthy. When the shrimps are fried, I add freshly pressed garlic on top. This gives the shrimp the final, perfect touch. Eat garlic because it is very healthy. I mix the garlic very well so that everything is well soaked. Cover the pan for about 3 minutes and let the flavors blend together. And just like that, lunch is ready. Simple, fast, flavorful, and full of fresh ingredients. At least once a week, such a lunch is welcome for our health. Very tasty lunch and quickly prepared. I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and thank you so much for watching. I wish you all the best.